National Weather Service in Miami/Tampa has issued a hurricane warning and flash flood emergency for southwestern Florida, associated with Hurricane Ian. At 8:02 a.m., radar and satellite data indicated Hurricane Ian was moving toward the coast, bringing catastrophic, life-threatening storm surge, extreme hurricane force winds, and torrential heavy rainfall. Locations impacted include Fort Myers, Naples, Port Charlotte, and surrounding areas. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and move immediately to a safe room or designated shelter. Do not venture outside during the eye of the storm. Turn around, don't drown. Stay tuned to local media and NOAA Weather Radio for further updates.